Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for learning with me. We will continue with our A2 German grammar course. Are you ready for the last case that is there? Are you sure? Ready or not? Here it is. The genitive. After you finished learning the genitive, you will know all the 4 cases that exist in the German language. The genitive is actually not so difficult, not as difficult as accusative and dative. If we have, for example, a suitcase like in the picture on the left side, and we want to know to who it belongs, we can ask here, wem gehört der Koffer? To whom belongs the suitcase? Another option you already learned, and now your signals must be ringing. Wem? This is dative, isn't it? So you learned before, you can say now, der Koffer gehört dem Gast. The suitcase belongs to the guest. This is a perfect sentence, a good sentence, grammatically and also logically. This is our dative option. The Koffer belongs to the guest. But now you will learn a new concept with the genitive, which is here. Das ist der Koffer des Gastes. This is the suitcase of the guest. And you see immediately, the verb changed. Why? Because the verb gehören, to belong, needs dative. So this is the suitcase of the guest is our genitive version with the same logic, the same meaning we want to express. Depending on where you're from, you know this. In Spanish, it's de. In other languages, Chinese, it's de, similar to Spanish. In Japanese, it's no. In other languages, in Greek, for example, du or dis. Yeah, so this is possession. Almost every language has a similar concept. And in English even, of the. You can let me know in the comments below if your language was here in this little list or how to say it in your language. Let's check out the other examples. Wem gehört die Tasche? To whom belongs the bag? Das ist die Tasche der Touristin. This is the bag of the tourist. Wem gehört das Fahrrad? Das ist das Fahrrad des Mädchens. This is the bike of the girl or from the girl. Wem gehören die Bücher? Das sind die Bücher der Studentinnen. Those are the books of the students. Wem gehört die Wohnung? Das ist Julias Wohnung. Here we see another option to put it in front. This is, so to speak, not the genitive option and not the dative option, but putting something with a possession article or a name. This is Julias apartment. Das ist meine Wohnung. This is my apartment. Das ist seine Wohnung. This is his apartment. You can also, if you want to try to say it in dative, you can say, die Wohnung gehört Julia. The apartment belongs to Julia. This is our dative option, therefore also the red color. Now, can you say it in genitive? Can you say, das ist die Wohnung der Julia? Do you think this sounds good? No, it doesn't. It doesn't sound good. So please remember, when you have a name, put it in front and make it a possession of something. This little table here can help you immensely. We have here the forms, male, female, neutral, and plural. And then we have also definite and indefinite. The male one, des, and we also have to add something to the noun. Feminine, der, nothing changes with the noun. Des, again a change. And der, no change. Undefinite, eines, with a change. Einer, no change. Eines, we have a change, and we have no plural. As you can see here, this kind of change that happens, you see it also here, Gastes, Mädchens, right? How to choose if the ending is es or s? We have some structures that can help you. I will translate the text here for you, and you will see it also when you practice it more. If we have nouns with many syllables, who finish, for example, with en, el, er, or, or ling, then we put the s. Some examples: des Wagens, des Onkels, des Reporters, des Doktors, des Frühlings. If we have nouns with only one syllable or nouns that end with s, ss, sz, sch, z, or tz, for example, then we have es. Don't confuse it. Nouns with one syllable and or nouns that have those endings. Examples: des Buches, des Flusses, des Fußes, des Schreibtisches, des Fußballplatzes. Lucky for you, the female version doesn't have those changes, only for neutral and male. This is it actually for the first part. Of course, there are some other aspects coming in B level and later on, but we will do it step by step, and we go to our first exercise. We have an example here: Jacke, Mann, schwarz. Die Jacke des Mannes ist schwarz. The jacket of the man is black. Maybe there is no need to say it, but I will still do it. This is the thing we possess, at least in this grammar structure. There will be other things also. And this is the owner of something. And then we have our normal verb, and then we have the adjective. In this case, object is also an option. It depends. You can press pause and try to make those statements. Das Zimmer der Studentin ist klein. Der Garten des Professors ist groß. Das Ende der Geschichte ist traurig. Die Kamera des Reporters ist teuer. Der Verkäufer des Buchladens ist freundlich. Das Gepäck der Gäste ist schwer. As you can see in example 3, it's not always a person being connected to something. So the end of the lesson, the end of the story, this is what we mean by that. It's not only a person who can be connected in genitive. The last exercise we do together today is good to see the structure. We have here a question. Kennst du den Titel des Buches? Here we have verb, subject, because it's a question, and then we have an object. In this case, it is an accusative object because kennen needs accusative. And then we have also a further explanation with genitive. Do you know the title of the book? Now you have to think with two cases in once. This is not the easiest, but luckily, as I said before, the genitive is not that challenging. You can try it out if you want, and then we compare. You can press pause and try to do this exercise. This is it for today. Thank you so much for your support. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, a heart, whatever you can. You can follow me on Instagram, but also on Facebook. I do language meetings. I give little lessons, little sessions once in a while. So it really is quite active over there. And I hope I see you soon. Have a great week and stay safe. Bye.